Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw email engagement stats from Outreach, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Outreach account. Navigate to the main dashboard after logging in. Locate the Analytics tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Emails option under the Analytics menu. You will now see a variety of email metrics displayed. Choose the specific time frame for which you want to analyze email engagement. Use the calendar tool to select your desired start and end dates. Once you have set the dates, click on Apply to update the data. Scroll down to see the engagement stats for your emails. Review key metrics such as open rates, reply rates, and click-through rates. To filter your results, use the filter options available at the top of the stats section. Select specific users, campaigns, or sequencers if needed. After applying the desired filters, the stats will update accordingly. If you want to export the data, look for the Export button, usually at the top right. Click the Export button to save the file in your preferred format. Choose whether to download as a CSV or Excel spreadsheet. Your data will be downloaded to your device. Open the file to review the email engagement stats in detail. You can now analyze the data to improve your future email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.